Come with me to pack some press-on nail orders and give y'all a little mini story time about why I would never use TextNow as a business number as a nail tech. When I first started doing nails, I wanted everything to look professional. I wanted everything to look seamless. I did not want one strand of hair to be out of place before I started doing nails. My sister is a braider, and I always seen her tell her clients, oh, text my phone, give my number out so we could get in contact and we could talk about the appointment. I never wanted to do that because I was like, oh my goodness, like what if they get my number? What if they get mad at me and end up leaking it or something? Like, so I feel like something crazy was always going to happen. So I was like, it could probably be another way for us to get in contact besides like email or Instagram or something. Because I never really like doing the Instagram back and forth DMs because I would get those late. So you could been and text me at 10 o'clock and I won't see it until 8 because my phone didn't notify me. So I was like, okay, maybe if I get like a fake phone number, it would hit my phone faster. So I went ahead and went on TikTok and looked up how to set up the whole thing on TextNow because I always seen people say that they gave like people like fake phone numbers, but it came on their phone as if it was like their real phone number through TextNow. So I was like, okay, what could it hurt? When I first got on the app, it was giving me options if I wanted to get like a recycle phone number that somebody already used, or if I wanted to buy my own private phone number, and that would be like my phone number. I'm assuming that I will only use. Mind y'all, I didn't have a booking site. I was really just trying to go the cheap route. That's why I'm going through this whole process trying to get this phone number. So once I got the phone number and everything, tested it out, I went ahead and updated my nail Instagram and put up there the text me icon on Instagram so where they could just click it and it'll automatically send them my phone number. Mind y'all, throughout this week of me having this phone number, I was getting like random calls from like different states, but I didn't really mind it. I was like, okay, maybe it's just because this phone number has definitely been used, and it's kind of like it gave me like bill collector vibes where they just go call you from everywhere. And the only thing really in my head how I knew that it wasn't a client calling me, because I'd be like, okay, they'll know to text my phone. I'm chilling in my bed and I noticed that this number has called me like repeatedly. So I went ahead and I answered the phone and I was like, hello. Nobody said nothing on the other line. So I just went ahead and hung up. Now, after I first answered that phone and they heard my voice, they was calling back to back to back. So I'm like, oh no, like who is this? Like, why aren't they just texting me? And at that point, I already knew, okay, this can't be a nail client. They must be like somebody else. So once they started calling that many times, and mind you, they're not saying nothing on the phone, they started texting me like, oh, don't you know he got a girlfriend, da da da. I'm like, who is this? So my mom is laying in the bed next to me, and when the girl called again, because I had showed her the messages, I was like, Mom, look at this person texting my phone, texting this. And she grabbed the phone and she started going off for the girl. Mind you, she's still not saying anything. But before my mom had grabbed the phone and started like cussing her out, she was still texting me crazy stuff, like cussing me out, calling me out my name, all that stuff. But mind you, she won't say anything on the phone. Real weird. So I went ahead and I just got in the tub and was about to go to bed until I noticed she was still texting my phone, like blowing my phone up, calling me back to back. I'm assuming she guessed I was messing with her boyfriend. I'm so mad, y'all, that I do not have the app because I would definitely show y'all it, but I just deleted it off my phone. I was just so traumatized. But I do remember some of the stuff that she was texting me, like word for word, like, oh, B, you scary, answer the phone. You was up. You know he had a girlfriend. B, answer the phone. You scary, answer the phone. I'ma beat the out of you. I'm like, So I'm assuming what happened. Y'all remember at the beginning when I told y'all that it had told me I could use a used number or pay for my own private number? I'm assuming it gave me somebody's real used number or whatever it was. And this girl thinks that it must have been her man's number. And I don't know how the technology or translation got intertwined between these numbers. But girl, she thought I was messing with her man. And I just went ahead and deleted the app and just went ahead and paid for that subscription on that booking site. I was like, never again, child. This is too ghetto. But before I had deleted the app, I debated on, I was like, should I pay for a subscription or pay for it to get a private number so it wouldn't give me people's random number? And I was like, just go ahead and pay for that damn subscription. Like, girl, you just got cussed out over something that you don't even know about. Nothing. That was just crazy. Like, yo, I was kind of a little scared. I'm not even gonna lie. I was scared like she could have did something to me over the phone. But still, I don't deal with that type of stuff. That was just wild. But if you definitely want to hear more stories like that, go ahead and check out my Nail Chronicles playlist. Because, y'all, I have some crazy stories. Crazy. Moral of the story, never use the free number that TextNow gives you. And if you is a real OG, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on your notifications so y'all could be up to tune with my community posts, because I use that as like a membership. Okay, y'all get the tea first over there, so make sure you turn on your notifications. If you stayed to the end of this video, I thank you so much, and drop a heart for me down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next one. Bye.